In Washington state, parents do not have access to their child's mental health records. You might have heard about Initiative 2081, which is kind of referred to as the Parents' Bill of Rights, which was a citizen initiative that was passed in by the legislature in 2024. Now, as soon as it got passed, and our whole team was skeptical about why were the Democrats voting to pass this. Well, if they voted to pass it, then they can come back the very next session and repeal the pieces of it or all of it that they don't like. And in June, the ACLU and some other groups filed a lawsuit to challenge I 2081, and a judge halted many pieces of the initiative. And one of those parts being the mental health portion. And the OSPI, Chris Reichdahl, who I mentioned a couple minutes ago, sent out a newsletter update back at the beginning of November, where he said, well, I 2081 does require release of education records that may include a student's sexual orientation. Any such records that are mental health or medical records may not be released under the current injunction. So we know that, I mean, this is Washington, you know where this is going. This thing is going to get repealed, or they're just going to pull out the parts of it that they don't like. So currently, parents do not have access to student mental health records. That's a huge problem. That's out of the gate. That's the biggest problem with this bill, is that they want to push in more mental and behavioral health supports, and parents also don't get access to those records. Huge red flag, number one.